Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can speed up the performance of your Windows. So if you're having an issue with your Windows like slow performance or lagging issues, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Press the Windows key and letter R button together to access the Run window, or you can directly make a right click at the Start button and select Run. Then here you need to type TE Click on OK. Now you have to delete everything from here, so click on one file and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard. Now you have to hit the delete bin at the top. Click on continue. Now check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Not all of these files will be deleted because these are used by the programs on your Windows, and that is totally fine. I'll close this window. And again, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Type in here %temp %. Click on OK. And here you have to simply click on one folder. Ctrl plus A on keyboard and hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Again, not all of these files will be deleted, and that is totally fine. Then again, press the Windows key and letter R button together. This time you need to type prefetch. Click on OK. And then delete everything from here too. Close this. Then for the next method, you have to make a right click at the Start button and you have to select Task Manager in the list of options. Now maximize this. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Startup Apps. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. And what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup program that should not come along with your Windows. So startup programs, these are the programs that automatically start whenever you sign into your Windows if these are enabled. So make a right click and then select disable for all the unnecessary startup programs and then close this. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type choose a power plan. Click on that under the best match. Now here, if you have the high performance or the ultra high performance selected plan enabled on your Windows, just simply choose either high performance or ultra high performance. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar, and here you need to type sysdm.cpl. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the System Properties window, click on the Advanced. Click on Settings under the Performance. Now check this box Adjust for best performance, but also make some changes right here, like show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Click on Apply, click on OK, and then click on OK again. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Disk Cleanup. Click on Disk Cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Now here in the Disk Cleanup for Windows, simply check these boxes one by one. And then you have to click on OK, click on Delete Files, and wait for the process to be done. Click on Continue. Then finally, make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, you will see a great difference for the performance of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.